Tonight, courts on the docket tonight, a class action lawsuit against NBCUniversal over its Orlando theme park's unlimited soda deal. Luis Arnaud feels recently that he visited the park and says he was denied a second soda refill as quickly as he wanted to. He was going to have to wait 10 minutes between each refill. He claims he was never informed of the limitations and says the business practice is deceptive. Let's bring in tonight's Legal Eagles, criminal defense attorney Bob Bianchi, and Washington Times legal affairs reporter Alex Sawyer. Great to have you both tonight.
Hi, Shannon.
Hey, Shannon.
Okay, so he says he bought this cup. He paid $16.99. The next day he refilled it for $8.99, but then found out he couldn't refill more than every 10 minutes. Exhibit A in his complaint against NBCUniversal, he says he would not have been willing to pay the sum had he known that the products did not provide unlimited refills and were mislabeled and falsely advertised. Alex.
I have to admit, NBC might have an issue here they might want to settle, because nowhere on the cup and nowhere advertised does it say that you only get one 16-ounce per 10 minutes. However, I do think that there might be some health concerns if we have people in there getting drinking 16 ounces in 5 minutes. That could be, 12 sodas per hour. I think that I have to be a little bit of a doctor instead of a lawyer here and say he might want to take a seat and give it a rest.
Well, but Bob, I mean, does the park have an interest in somewhere limiting, making sure he's not filling these up, handing it to his kids, filling it up, handing it to someone else? I mean, how do they protect, or should they have to fully disclose all of that?
I don't think that they have to protect anything. The point is they advertised that this guy's able to drink as much soda until he drops dead. And in America, you're allowed to soda yourself out. And what really would have roiled me, Shannon, was when he went to get his new soda, a message pops up on the machine that says, "Hi, you are not quite ready for a fill-up." How dare you tell me I'm not ready for my Coca-Cola fill-up? It's an outrage, Shannon.
He was ready. Okay, let's move on.
It is kind of scary. Little Big Brother cup.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's got a chip in the cup. It knows how much you're filling up. It is, I mean, listen, they have a way to track this whole thing. Okay, so let us move to our second case, which is Taco Bell, which I find quite delicious. But in this case, there was a couple who said that they went in to buy these boxes that were advertised on a commercial that they were $5 each. I think we have some video maybe of the ad or the commercial. $5 each, and they got their boxes of Taco Bell, and it ended up being more than $10, $12, whatever it was, and they wanted to know what the extra fees were, and apparently there was an extra fee that's in the fine print, if you can read it there at the bottom of the screen. So Exhibit B. An attorney says, for the couple, says you can't tell someone you're going to charge them $5 in big bold print and then take it away with a fine print disclaimer. You can't do that. It's against the law. Bob.
This is a lawsuit for $2.18. It's ridiculous. And the bottom line is, unlike the other case, there was a disclaimer. So here is my advice to the public. I'm going to start a niche practice for all of you soda junkies and all of you fast food junkies. If you see a disclaimer, and we see them every single day, all the time, you should go hire a lawyer to make sure you understand what it is you're going to purchase. And by the way, if you're so insulted, don't eat the food. This suit is ridiculous. It's not going to go anywhere in my estimation. There was